I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error with your Mac after you install macOS Big Sur and you can't open your system, load your system, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just shut down your computer. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose shutdown and just shut down. So now just wait until it will successfully close all of your apps and just turn off your computer. Just tap on power and just press and hold Command R before you will see Apple logo. So just hold these two buttons before you will see Apple logo for some time and just release your fingers from these two buttons. So now your computer will load in recovery mode and sorry, not recovery mode, but it will load your macOS utilities and you will be able for restoring your system, for fixing your errors. So now just wait until it will load your macOS utilities and you will fix your error. Language. Oh, just wait until it will examine volumes and just tap on next. Go here, go to utilities, choose here disk utility, just tap on continue, and now you just need to choose your system and just tap on first add. So here you can see detect and repair errors in the selected volume, container or device partition map. So just tap here and just wait until it will successfully check and fix your errors and you just restart your Mac. So after it will done, just tap here on Apple logo and just choose restart and just restart your Mac in normal mode. So your error will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.